Guys can see the phone which I'm using right now is iPhone. It's not Android because you can see App Store over here, because any Android phone they cannot have App Store. Only Apple or iPhone can have App Store. So this is basically an iPhone. Alright, now let me show you guys how you guys can download Trust Wallet over here. But before that, let me give you guys a short description of what Trust Wallet is, so you guys will understand what you guys are actually downloading on your phone, because you might think it's a virus, or you guys might think like, oh, Trust Wallet is the reason my iPhone got broke. Alright, so let me show you guys or tell you guys what it is. Trust Wallet is basically a crypto storing wallet where you guys can store your crypto like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many other crypto. Alright, so it's a wallet for storing crypto. Just like you store money on your real life wallet, you store your digital assets like your NFT crypto in Trust Wallet. To download anything, you gotta go to App Store, go on versus search, and versus search you want to write Trust and Wallet like this. After you search for Trust Wallet, the first option over here, let it load. Trust Wallet crypto and Bitcoin wallet. This is what it's gonna look like. You want to click on this cloud looking icon. Now on my screen it's showing me this cloud looking icon, but in this screen it's gonna show you install. So you want to click on install. Alright, once you click on install, it's gonna start to download. After it downloads, basically you can open your Trust Wallet just like you open your regular normal thing. Like, let me just click on open and show you guys. As you guys can see, it works. Now I have to create an account, which I don't want to right now, so I'm just gonna close it. Alright,